Now let me first make it cap over here. It is cap over there already. And Control Z, Alt G, Control Z plus if something is missing. Control Z, Control Z, press Control Z. Control Z, press Control Z. Something is missing. Control Z. Set as material ID 3. Now I'll apply the materials. First material, go to the rendering, material editor, compact material editor, select from here second slot and go to, as I want to apply different materials to the object, so I will go with multi/sub materials, keep all materials as sub materials, clear it first. Now apply first material. We go to none, from here select V-Ray MTL and from here select white color. Now to the second material I will apply red color and go to none, V-Ray MTL. V-Ray MTL means red color, V-Ray MTL means materials. Now go to default again, material slot, material this time go none, V-Ray MTL. V-Ray MTL means V-Ray material. This time select a little grayish color. Now to the red color I will little bit of dark. I will select from here. This is okay. Apply this show assign material to selection after assign material to selection, and then click on show shaded material in viewport. Now I will come out from the material multi slash sub. I will come out from different materials to a slot like this. Like second slot is different materials I have applied. Now I will go to the third slot. This slot I will come out from the material slot of the different material slot which I applied to the car, to the object. Now I applied separately materials, so I will go with different slots. Go to the third slot. So here select Vary MTL in standard Vary MTL. Vary MTL means Vary material. Now I will select from here little bit of dark. And to this also. Now let's select fourth material to the lights. Go to standard Vary MTL. This time select white color. No, not this one. Select this one and select the object, the front light. Go to the material for slide and apply it. Select this one also. Now to the tires, what I will do, tires are remaining. Now make it edit poly. Select the polygon and now insert, apply insert by polygon. And now inner extrude it. And to this also apply edit poly. Select the polygon, insert by polygon. Now extrude by polygon.